Hi guys, we're gonna do exercise number 3 in the spreadsheet worksheet level 1. So this exercise is we need to calculate the total income and cost or profit for a CD production for a charity and events. So let's see the task more in details. So first task, let me zoom a little bit so it's easier to read. So first task, we need to insert this data on the table. After we need to calculate the total incomes. After we need to calculate the total cost. We need to calculate the profit and format the tables accordingly. And also we need to create a graph for displaying the six costs for each disk sold. And the graph need to be in a different page. Okay, so first things I like to organize the things accordingly. So this is the total income area. Here is total cost profit and the profit. So let's give a little bit on meaning on here. So I like to put some headings in all sections when you do breakdown like this. So the first section is incomes. Okay, so we're gonna add another line here as well, and we're gonna do cost and also, here we're gonna calculate here the total income and total cost, and we here the profit. I like to have the breakdown above the total, like a kind of review or the or calculation. So, for instance, I'm gonna do total incomes here. I'm gonna copy the line here, and I'm gonna put in there. And also we can using the linking formula so to link them so we don't have to write it two times. So I'm gonna start equal, I'm gonna click on the box there and I press enter, and after we can just drag them like this. So we do the same things for the cost. So I'm gonna put this one, I click on there with the linking formula, and after we're gonna move it like this. So now we have the and also we want to put a heading here. So this one is the profit. Yeah, perfect. And on the side there, like that one there, and this one there on the side as well. So let's start to format the tables. I'm gonna just put inside the table the figures, and we're gonna leave the total outside. Same things for this one. Uh, actually, so just yeah, the recording cost as well, because we need to put this figure on there. So this one is the recording cost. So let's put it straight away: 350, 460, and 499. Okay, so let's do the last one. We're gonna select like this, and voila. Okay, so here it said the total income is like number of the disk times the selling price. So let's put equal number of the disk times the selling price. Okay, so this one is done. We can just copy and paste. So we're gonna go on the corner and we're gonna just drag it like this. We're gonna do the total cost. So here, let's see, it said to use a formula sum and to do the selection. So we're gonna just select the six cost. So equal sum open brackets. We're gonna select all the column there, and we're gonna close brackets, and it's done. And now we're gonna put it like this, and the profit, so it's gonna be this one, the total income minus the total cost. So total income minus the total cost. Perfect. And now we're gonna drag it there as well. Okay, so now we need to put the currencies. So this one is currencies, and actually from down here is all currency. So I'm gonna select all of them in the same times. This one there are no currency. Okay, so and I'm gonna use the accounting value. Perfect. Okay, so now let's do the formatting. So I like to use this one, and let's do in bold. Okay, now select this one. We can use the format painter. So I click on that, click on that. So we're gonna click on the cell, we're gonna copy the formatting from, and we're gonna after highlight with the mouse where we want to put the formatting. Okay, so now we're gonna copy from there. We're gonna do this one as well. Copy from there, and we're gonna do the total as well like this. Also, just as a reference, we can copy the reference here and as a normal, and we're gonna remove, okay, this one as well. We can remove the, okay, so we could theoretically we could have done the same formatting like this. Okay, perfect. And now we can copy these ones here and we can paste it on the top of all the rows. So now we have a spreadsheet that makes sense. We may be able to add one line to distantiate a bit more the all the section. Okay, perfect. So now we have everything done, and we can maybe do the size there. I select the first one, I press the control button, I select the second ones, and after I can pick a color, maybe like this, and this one is the title, and I make it bigger as well, so maybe a little bit bigger, like 14. Okay, so our spreadsheet is being completed. So now we just need to do the graph. So you want to analyze the cost. So I can select all the costs like this. So I start from there and there. So we're gonna have this one, everything is updating, hopefully. So I press F11 and it will create the graph. Okay, so this one is a cost analysis. Cost analysis. Perfect. We're gonna uh, back format the text. I make it bold and I make it bigger. So this exercise I can use this color there and make it a little bit bigger. And now let's see, we can change the color set. So let's see, like maybe this one, and maybe this. Let's do this one a color that is matching that one. So maybe like this and a little bit bigger. Perfect. Okay, one of the problem you can see here on the series, it didn't put the right things. So let's do it manually then. So first things, we can make the graph smaller, so we can amend it. Click on the graph, so we have a space for the legend, and this one we can make it a bigger font so it's more visible. Okay, okay, and we can make this one bigger as well so they're more readable. Okay, okay, for series, now we're gonna have to change the text there. So to do so, we can right click, we go here on that, and you can see all the data there. So we're gonna have to amend manually. So you're gonna here in the select data, we're gonna click on the first one, we do edit, and we can edit by hand. So it's gonna be 1000 the first one, and the second one edit is gonna be 1500, and the fourth one is gonna be 2000. Okay, edit 2000. Okay, so let's just double check. that. Okay, another things, we're gonna move this one there, and we're gonna call it chart one. Okay, and we're gonna change the color exactly like that one that is already there. Perfect. Okay, so let's see the chart, and let's see this. Okay. Okay, you can see there is just one inconvenient here on the graph. He put the cost here like this, so we need to remove this one. So we just need to go here to right. We're gonna go in the graph design data set, and we can remove from here that you see. You just need to untick this one, and we press enter, and it's gonna remove the data there which is not supposed to be. We just need to have the 6 category, the cost. So it's done. Perfect. So sometimes Excel, it doesn't pick up the things. It's really important always to double check to be able to see all these kind of things. Okay, I don't like to put the data label because you just need to press to point the mouse on the top, and you're gonna see all the value that are interesting to you.